Hi, I'm Nicky from Fine & Country and I'm here today on the sought after Birches Lane in Kenilworth to show you around this period 5-bedroom family home, full of charm and character and ready for the new owners to put their stamp on it. Follow me and I'll take you for a tour. You join me at the end of the tour in the pretty garden. If this property's potential excites you and you'd like any more information or to arrange a viewing, please contact me with the details that will follow.